What's going on, everybody? It's Anthony with Jhuly's Aquatics and Gardening, and welcome back to another video. Now, it's been a hot minute since I've made a video and posted, but I'll get into the reasons why at another time. It's finally fall. There's a snap in the air. The mornings are cool. The afternoons are nice. The mosquitoes are dying, and it's just really, again, a nice, pleasant atmosphere to be outside working in the garden, and I have been doing exactly that. Now, all day I've been working, trying to stage my containers throughout my landscape. I have been lacquering pumpkins so the squirrels don't eat them, although I don't really deal with squirrels like that in my area. But I brought my pumpkins out this morning and I saw a squirrel walk by, so I definitely put my lacquer on to keep them at bay. So I recently did a video going over my inspiration for the fall season and my mood board, and I'll make sure to link that video up above, so make sure that you check it out. And if you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. So I did show you these images before, and I don't know if you can see them, but I'll give you close-ups of them if you can't see them. These are my inspiration for my container plantings this year. I have been looking through some of them here. Country Home Magazine, Southern Living Plant Collection, Garden Gate Magazine. These have been my muse and my inspiration for my color choices, my container designs, and themes of that for this year. And again, I'll try to put better images up on the screen. But I am not trying to replicate what the designers have put out in these magazine clippings that I took. I am just, again, using them as inspiration to inform some of the design elements as far as where to place certain elements, the color scheme, and to make sure that the containers that I'm choosing are going to work well with the types of plants that I'm going to be using and the configuration thereof. So again, I'm not, trying to duplicate these things exactly, but they're just my color muse. And I bought a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know if you're able to see it. I have straw flowers, I have gaillardia, I have rudbeckia, I have mums. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to be packing into these containers. And then after I'm done, the kids are going to come out and stage the pumpkins around wherever they want them. So let me get started, because Lind was on his way home from school, and as soon as he sees the pumpkins in the driveway, he's going to go berserk. So I'm going to get these containers planted up, and then the kids are going to come join me for the end part of the video where they get to put the pumpkins wherever they want them. They're the ones that pick them out. They want to put them wherever they want them. So here we go. So let me bring it closer to see what I'm getting ready to do, and hopefully this turns out how I have it up here in my brain. guys, so first set of containers is done. I'm going to start with this one here on the right. I bought that cypress, and I have the name of it and I forget. If I can remember the name of it, I'll pop it up on the screen. But I love that chartreuse green color there. I think it was really, really needed. And it's, to me, that yellowish is kind of quintessential fall. So I went with it and I'm happy about it. I've got a Gaillardia here, which I don't remember the name. Over here I have a Zinfandel oxalis. That there is an Autumn Fire sedum, and that's the tag. That's what it looks like. Hopefully I'll get that fire red color. I've got a Toffee Twist Carex, which is supposed to be hardy in my zone. And I've got a kale there that is not planted. And I've got a Black Magic kale back there. Love, love, love that first container. Okay, to the left, in this container in the back, I have, what's the name of this mum again? This is the Beverly Bronze Mum. And then down here in front of it, I have a Dreamtime Jumbo Red straw flower, a couple of kales there, and then right there is a Mojave Orange straw flower. Up above here, I believe that's a little Henry Astor. In the back, that mum is a Miranda Orange, another Carex. That Rudbeckia is a little Gold Star. That is a little lemon. What do you call it again? Jeez. Little lemon goldenrod, heated up Gaillardia. Heated up scarlet Gaillardia. And I left space at the front, so hopefully the kids will allow me to put a pumpkin in there. But just backing up here, this is what you see when you're coming up the walkway. And I think it looks great. Alright, deep breath in, guys. Let's go get the kids. So just as we were getting ready to start this video, somebody decided to start cutting their lawn right next door. So hopefully you'll be able to hear us. They're all excited and ready to go to do their pumpkin patch. So we went out and we bought all of these pumpkins. Those there and these here. And then I picked up this Minwax clear aerosol lacquer that is fast drying. They've been drying all day. And you can see that they kind of given the pumpkins a little sheen. So hopefully that'll help, beautify them, number one, which it did actually. And number two, most importantly, is keep the squirrels away. So I'm just gonna set the camera up and let the kids go to town putting the pumpkins where they want with a little bit of parental supervision. Who's ready? Let's place some pumpkins. Alright, so guys, I don't remember what the last thing you saw was, but it's actually been a little over a week since the first part of this video was filmed. But I think it's actually been 2 weeks. But the whole pumpkin placing didn't work with the kids. So yeah, it's actually been a couple of weeks. They did put a couple of pumpkins over here in this basket, but it's been very hot and warm. And so you can see that a couple of our pumpkins have actually started to rot. So I'm going to have to replace those. But in the couple of weeks since the first part of this video, this mum has come into full bloom. And it's not showing the right color on camera. On camera, it's looking a lot lighter than it really is in real life, and that's a bummer. But it's a really nice orangey bronze. It's looking more red in camera, but you know, nah. The goldenrod has since faded. The rudbeckia has come into bloom. The aster has since faded, and this mum is also coming into bloom. But overall, I think these containers came out nice. Maybe I'll be able to get a couple more pumpkins and tuck in at the base of the planter. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next video. Remember, in all things, give thanks. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and share this video out, guys. Thanks, and enjoy the rest of your day.